Certainly, self-improvement is a lifelong journey, and there are various aspects of life you can focus on. Here are some tips to help you on your path to self-improvement. Set clear goals. Define your short-term and long-term goals. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Develop a growth mindset, embrace challenges, and see failures as opportunities to learn. Believe that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Create healthy habits. Establish a routine that includes regular exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient sleep. Break bad habits and replace them with positive ones. Continuous learning. Read books, articles, or take online courses to expand your knowledge. Attend workshops, seminars, or conferences to stay updated in your field. Time management. Prioritize tasks and focus on high-value activities. Learn to delegate and say no when necessary. Use productivity tools and techniques to manage your time effectively. Build strong relationships. Cultivate a positive relationships with friends, family, and colleagues. Practice effective communication and active listening. Practice mindfulness. Develop mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Be present in the moment and practice gratitude. Embrace failure. See failures as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach, and try again. Seek feedback. Be open to constructive criticism. Use feedback to identify areas for improvement. Financial literacy. Learn about budgeting, saving, and investing. Set financial goals and work towards them. Stay positive. Focus on the positive aspects of situations. Surround yourself with positive influences. Develop emotional intelligence. Understand and manage your emotions. Empathize with others and build strong interpersonal relationships. Networking. Expand your professional network. Attend events, join relevant groups, and connect with people in your industry. Stay curious. Foster a curious mindset and be open to new ideas. Explore new interests and hobbies. Self-reflection. Regularly reflect on your actions, goals, and values. Identify areas for improvement and celebrate your successes. Remember, self-improvement is a continuous process. Be patient with yourself, stay committed, and celebrate your progress along the way.